The recently refurbished Carnival Sunrise has a unique room type with expansive views from floor-to-ceiling windows and much more space than standard rooms at a very reasonable price. And we'll take you on a tour coming up on Talking Cruise. Hi, this is Chris Cardona. I'm back from another cruise on Carnival Sunrise. This time, I stayed in room number 9200, one of the two Scenic Grand Ocean View staterooms. These rooms are located all the way forward on the starboard and port side of Deck 9, right above the bridge. The size of these Category 6K rooms that sleep 4 guests is 320 square feet. That's 100 square feet larger than a standard ocean view or balcony room on Carnival Sunrise. As soon as you enter the room, you'll feel the spaciousness, especially around the foot of the bed and sleeper sofa. To your left are a series of closets with plenty of hangers, shelving, and electronic safe. On the right is the bathroom, featuring a large vanity, hanging shelves on both sides, and storage under the sink. There's also a roomy shower with detachable shower head, soap and shampoo dispensers, and unfortunately, a clingy shower curtain. The room's queen bed was comfortable and can be split into 2 singles if preferred. On either side of the bed, you'll find night tables with adjustable brightness lamps with 2 very handy built-in USB ports. The large sofa can be converted into a double sleeper utilizing a trundle underneath, or it can be made up as a single as well. If the 3rd and 4th guests want to sleep separately, an additional cot can be brought in the room. The 2 side chairs and table make a perfect setup for enjoying in-room dining or just taking in the amazing views. The desk console has a lighted mirror, 3 drawers, and unstocked mini fridge. You'll also find 2 standard and 1 European power outlet and 2 additional USB ports, one rated for higher power devices. The large TV has a good selection of channels and an amazing library of on-demand movies, including recent films, many of which were no extra charge or only $4.95 each. From the first time I saw that these rooms were being added to Carnival Sunrise and many other ships in the fleet, I knew the view was going to be awesome, and it is. The room has 2 massive floor-to-ceiling windows with motorized roll-down shades. The shades are great as they can be stopped at any position, so you can control the amount of sun or privacy you need. There's one point I'd like to make about the view and windows in this room. All of the images I had seen on Carnival's website showed it as having 2 large windows and then another set of 2 smaller windows in the corner. I was disappointed to find that the 2 corner windows were covered over. From speaking with guest services, I was informed that those windows were obstructed since they were somehow interfering with the ship's navigation. The location of these rooms was also a big consideration for me. Being on Lido Deck 9 means the pools, several bars, and food options are just a short walk away. As with the rest of the Carnival Sunrise transformation, Carnival did a great job with these rooms. For a little bit more than a standard ocean view room, and about the same or a little less than a balcony room, you get so much more space and a layout that really works. Like many of the unique rooms I've shared on the channel, these rooms are becoming scarce on many sailings, as my attempts to rebook for future cruises is proving to be more than difficult. As an alternative, there are also 4 Scenic Ocean View rooms Category 6J in the same forward location. They are still quite large at 260 square feet, but only have 1 floor-to-ceiling window.